Hey class 9 students, I am back with new CBSE class 9 science syllabus. No matter whichever video I put in a YouTube, I am constantly getting tons of messages from class 9 students asking me to do videos on the new syllabus. So here I came with the new syllabus, guys. Every week you get one video from Homeschool YouTube channel relating to class 9 science syllabus. So don't worry, I am going to cover all chapters, and this time I am coming and I am bringing the concepts in the most interesting way. Okay, so I don't want any class 9 students or any students to study science in a boring method. Okay, so I don't want you to mug up the concepts. So I just wanted to give you the feel of conceptual understanding to all of you. So I am making all my lessons more interesting, more engaging and more appealing to your eyes. Okay, so in this video I am going to talk about how the syllabus is going to be and what are the chapters you have, which chapters come under physics, chemistry and biology and all of that. This is an introduction video and which is very important to watch. Okay, and before you go further, share this video to each and every friend of yours. Okay, even if you are a class 10, 11 and 12 student, please share this video to all your juniors. And don't worry, I am coming up with videos for all classes, class 10, class 11, class 12, competitive exams, everything I am going to cover. Okay, so don't worry. So guys, just enjoy the video if you are a class 9 student. If you are not a class 9 student, please share it to all the class 9 students as much as possible. Okay, so guys, class 9 science this time is very interesting. You know what? It is the old chapters which you find in the new textbook, okay, but in a different way, in a different style. That's it, guys. Okay, so some concepts are being added from class 10, okay, so especially in case of biology, and some topics have been removed from physics and etc. That is how they have updated the syllabus. And by the way, let me ask you one question. How did you like your science textbooks? Were they interesting? Yes, they are interesting, right? So tell me your opinion about the new textbooks that you have got. Do you like it or not? Tell that in the chat section. I actually loved it. Okay, so they have a beautiful attractive images. Every lesson has got started with a very interesting image, photos and etc. right? So the textbook is more of like activity based, and that is how it should be, guys. Okay, so science have to be learned, it should be learned in the most interesting and activity form. Okay, so of course from my side I'll try to bring the concepts in the most interesting manner as possible. Okay, so now let us just explore what chapters are there and how they are going to be and etc. right? So you actually have the 13 chapters in class 9 science, and the first chapter is a general introduction. It's all about exploration, and they wanted to make you understand how interesting science is in the first chapter actually. Okay, so really we are going to discuss some interesting topics and interesting concepts and different wonders in the scientific field actually. So next week I will come up with the very first chapter. Okay, tell me how many of you are waiting for that chapter. So next week, every week one chapter I will bring for you all. Okay, but my request from Homeschool side is subscribe the channel, share the video to as many friends as possible. Okay, yes. So guys, if I have to talk about biology chapters, so the textbook itself did not divide into biochemistry and physics, but of course most of the schools have got different teachers, right? So physics chapters are taught by physics teachers, chemistry chapters are taught by chemistry teachers and etc. So here I'll tell you which chapter is coming under which branch. Okay, first and foremost, let us discuss about what chapters do come under biology. Okay, so chapter number 2, chapter number 3, chapter number 11 and chapter number 12. These are the 4 chapters which are coming under biology, guys. So the very first biology chapter is all about the cell. This is actually there in the old syllabus also, the same content, but they have expressed in a different way, that's it. Okay, and then tissues. So this tissues aspect also was there in an old textbook only. It is not a new chapter, okay, or a new concept in class 10. In class 9 it was there in old textbooks also. And what was added new is this reproduction. Okay, so all about reproduction and etc. You have studied in class 8 and in class 10 they are there. Okay, but now that reproduction aspects they have kept in class 9. Okay, so we are going to study these topics new in the new syllabus. And now patterns in life, diversity and classification, this also is actually some of it you have studied in the old syllabus also, right? So these are the 4 chapters, guys. Chapter number 2, 3, 11 and 12 are coming under biology portion. Okay, so now coming to physics. So physics also you have got the 4 chapters. Chapter 4, chapter 6, chapter 7 and chapter 10. So describing motion around us. So this all about motion was there in the old textbook. Now in a new textbook in a different way. That's it. How forces affect motion. So Newton's laws of motion. Laws of motion was the heading that was there in the old textbook. But now in the new textbook it is there as how forces affect motion. Okay. Work, energy and simple work, energy and power was the old chapter. The same thing was transformed as work, energy and simple machines. Okay, very interesting chapter. And now the sound waves, characteristics and applications of sound. Okay, so these are the 4 units that you are going to study under physics branch. Okay, so now coming to the chemistry branch, right? So exploring mixtures and their separation. So this was not there in the old textbook. Old textbook was having very fundamentals on chemistry like matter around us and etc. Okay, but now here we are going to study what are mixtures, what are the different types of mixtures and how are we going to separate them and all of that. Okay, so it is a new aspect that they have brought to a new textbook. And now journey inside the atom. Yes, structure of atom was the heading that was there in the old textbook. Now in the new textbook the same concept is there as journey inside the atom. And finally atomic foundations of matter. So little more deeper aspects about the atom you are going to study in this 9th chapter. So 3 chapters are coming under chemistry branch. Okay, 5th one, 8th one and 9th one. Okay, so total 12 chapters and the 13th chapter is the first chapter. I told you it's a general chapter. It is just to bring curiosity for you all. Okay, it is just to realize how beautiful science is and you know how interesting science is and where do you see the science and all of that gets covered in the first chapter. Okay, so overall if you ask my opinion, I just loved the new syllabus, I loved the new textbooks, but it has to be studied the way it should be studied. You should not by heart it, you should really understand the beauty of every concept, because all these topics that you study, no, all the 3 topics under chemistry, the 4 topics under physics and the 4 topics under biology are really very fundamentals and very basics which are compulsorily required to understand class 10 and also to understand concepts of 11th, 12th and etc. Okay, so all the chapters have to be studied in the way they have to be studied, guys. Okay, so if you are ready to learn science beautifully, wonderfully with Nalini ma'am, then type in the chat section as learn science with Nalini ma'am. Okay, so what you are going to type? So if you want me to do your syllabus in the most interesting, attractive and powerful manner, then you have to type in the chat section as learn science with Nalini ma'am. Okay, so this is what you have to type in the comment section. Guys, if you are a class 9 students, definitely I'm telling you, if you have taken benefit from homeschool channel, if you want to take benefit from homeschool channel, if you want me to decode science in a very powerful manner, then you have to type this in the comment section, guys. Okay, and share the video to all your friends. So see you soon in the next week with the very first chapter in the most beautiful way. Okay, so thank you so much. See you soon then.